Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. In diligencing the startup's legal documents, ask the following questions. For the intellectual property, ask what was filed and when. Did they file a provisional patent or utility patent? It takes 3 years from the date of filing for the patent to be approved, so it most likely will not have been awarded yet. Have there been any office actions yet? The cap table represents the result of the term sheet and other documents related to ownership. Review the term sheets to see if there are any unusual clauses. What third-party contracts have been signed? What obligations do those agreements require? Check the employment agreements. Has every employee signed a non-disclosure and non-compete agreement? Are there any outstanding lawsuits against the company? If so, what is the dollar amount involved? Most startups do not focus much time on the legal aspects, so it's important to check. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start up something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.